In this quick guide, I'll show you 2 ways to use your protected PTO or PPTO in the Walmart system. First, through the Me at Walmart app. Open the app, tap Menu in the bottom right. Select Time Off Request. Tap plus New Request, choose your date. For PPTO, select PTO, sick/other or PTO, family care. Enter the hours or minutes you need in 15-minute increments and submit. Second, through the wire, log in, open the Global Time and Attendance portal. Click Time Off Request then, plus New Requests. Select the day and sick as a reason. Enter the amount of time you want covered and submit. If you have enough PPTO, your request is automatically approved. If you enter more than you have, the system will use regular PTO next. And remember, past day PPTO requests can only be canceled, not edited, in the same week. And that's how you submit PPTO in Walmart's system. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with others.